me a pack of cigarettes.
Well, Mom, we shooting a video. You see?
Boy, I gotta go get me a pack of damn cigarettes. What the hell are you talking about? Go get me. I want to go get me a pack of cigarettes. Now get out the car.
Oh.
Man.
Then what the hell y'all doing with my fan out here anyway? What the hell you doing with my fan out here? My fan ain't supposed to be outside, it's supposed to be inside.
We shooting a video.
Get the hell out the car and let me go get me a pack of cigarettes.
I turned the damn camera off, man.
I
ain't saying nothing.
What the hell you
I
saying?
ain't said nothing.
What the hell you
I
saying?
ain't said nothing.
You gonna be all up in the face out there, man.
We in the video.